Scotland's First Minister John Swinney and Plaid Cymru leader Rhys Iorwerth have pledged to strengthen ties between their two parties, describing their cooperation as a progressive alliance for change. The leaders met at the First Minister's official residence in Edinburgh, where they agreed to share strategies ahead of next May's elections in both nations. Both the SNP and Plaid Cymru back independence from the UK, but talks focused on wider goals, from tackling child poverty to protecting political debate from who they describe as the growing influence of far-right ideas at Westminster. John Swinney said the alliance would see the two parties working collaboratively on issues that matter to people in Scotland and in Wales, while resisting what he called the consuming effect of far-right politics on Labour and the Conservatives alike. Plaid Cymru leader Rhys Iorwerth said a Plaid government in Wales and an SNP government in Scotland would send a powerful message to Westminster, describing it as a wake-up call for the UK Labour government, and accused Welsh Labour of failing to stand up for Wales, saying that after more than 2 decades in power, key responsibilities like policing and justice still remain under Westminster control. But opposition parties have criticised the move. Scottish Conservatives said the First Minister was more interested in plotting the breakup of the UK than tackling domestic problems, citing NHS pressures and falling education standards. Meanwhile, the Liberal Democrats called for both nations to focus on their shared history rather than constitutional division. Despite the criticism, both nationalist leaders insist the new partnership reflects a growing appetite for change and a belief that Wales and Scotland can chart their own course in an increasingly divided political landscape. James P. Watkins, reporting for Local TV.